This is about as genuine as a first drive video will ever get. We are going to drive the Gordini for the first time. Fire extinguisher is with me. I've genuinely not driven it anywhere. Okay, so the clutch is through the roof. But it feels like, oh, the brakes feel alright. Right, go down the ramp. I've really committed to this now. I'm on the ramp. I can't not do it now. Put the choke in a bit. The first time. Will it scrape? We've got second gear. Oh my god. I'm not going very far. I'm just doing a loop around the industrial estate. And I'm going to line this up next to my yellow Renault 5 to take a picture. I'm a happy boy. It drives. The clutch is very high. Sounds good. The seats are in. Fraser did the seats. We like Fraser. He's my little weldy pigeon. The floors are all Raptor coated. I have bought a new one of those and hacked it up and made it work. I've put half of the dashboard back together, but these clips here are broken, so I need to sort those out. All the wiring under the dash has all been retaped and put back together nicely. All the wiring here has all been cleaned up, retaped and clipped back on, so that's good. All the lights are now working. We have lights and illumination. Seats are all in, everything's all been Raptor coated and looks blooming lovely. The seats were put into MSA spec with sandwich plates, crush washers, like crush tubes, sorry, everything like that, so that's all good. Yeah, been through all the wiring, so the lights are all working. Oh, did I mention we have a fog light? We have one individual fog light because I can't get any H2 bulbs. We've also got a choke cable, which I put in there, so that's all good. Oh, we've done so much stuff. And I know I haven't documented like any of it, but honestly, I've just been working. I've got loads of wiring tidying up to do, so that's going to be this afternoon's job. Yeah. I am a happy boy with progress. Let me just popper that up. Popper. There we go. I am a happy boy. Progress has been good. Unfortunately, I now have the biggest task, which is the rear suspension. The downfall of every Classic 5. I need to put the mirrors on as well. I've got those, I just need little base plates for it. And I want to get some nice stainless bolts for them because they always rust and bleed through. It's going well. Life is good. This is a very short video, but I'm satisfied. Let's wind the windows up. So I've just posted a photo in the 5 Gordini group because I'm very proud. Well done, Gordon. Will it make it up the ramp? God, that clutch is goosed. I don't think it's going to make it up the ramp. I'm going to have to get that clutch is knackered. The clutches are high on my list of things it needs. It made it up the ramp! Get in, Gordon! I got lights and everything. And at last we have a door card. So I've got a template to start making door cards for it. Yes, anybody who's had a project car knows, especially someone who's got as many project cars as me, knows that the point that a project car can be driven makes it so much easier, because now this isn't just being pushed around the workshop and being sat on my ramps taking up loads of space. So it just means that everything's going to be so much easier. Yeah, I'm really happy. Life is good. Thank you for everyone's support. There's not been a great deal of support on YouTube for this, which has been interesting, but there's been a lot of support in the 5 Alpine Gordini pages, so thank you very much. Yeah, let's get New Year's out the way and see. Look, here's a realistic goal. My birthday's the 21st of April. I reckon it will be on the road, being driven and done by then.